बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आप देख रहे हैं मीडिया पॉइंट 071। दोस्तों, मैं इस वक्त मौजूद हूँ सिंध रूरल सपोर्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के दफ्तर में, जहाँ पर अमेरिकी कौंसलेट के ज़ेर एहतमाम नस्ली इम्तियाज़ के ख़ात्मे के लिए खेल के ज़रिए आगाही फराहम करने के लिए बैनुल-अक़वामी बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर स्टीफ़न हॉवर्ड इज़हार ख्याल कर रहे हैं।
is going to increase. I think it's going to diminish, particularly because of the voice of athletes that, in large part, can come from marginalized communities. I don't think that's going to dissuade equality and racism people from the world participating in sports, because you can go all the way back to the civil rights movement when people and professional athletes like Jackie Robinson fought for the ability for marginalized communities like African Americans to participate in sports. And so I think that's one of the beautiful things about sports is instead of polarizing communities, it has the ability to bring communities together, not only in participation of sports, but also in the rooting for sports and the community at large. And I think the ability of sports franchises to bring vast different communities together to root for the same team, I think exposes people and a lot of times to people that have different perspectives and different worldview than they do. And I think that's what certain things like the Olympics brings together, where you have, teams from America playing against teams from Pakistan, China, Russia, Israel, and France, all over the world. And I think that's what the beauty of sports is. Once that buzzer sounds and everyone starts to play, it doesn't matter what color you are, it doesn't matter what religion you are, what gender you are. If you can help me win, I want you on my team, and we're going to work together to get that win. And I think when you just get down to that baseline of, hey, let's just compete to win, we're all the same, I think it helps all sorts of communities. So in that way, I think you're going to see more people from marginalized communities participate in sports, and that representation is going to, again, help people from those communities to see themselves successful in other arenas that they had before, and also bring more communities together in the future.